1,600 workers about to lose their jobs, building automobiles at this 6.2 million square foot facility that long served as a makeshift barrier, keeping this Midwestern community from the ugly realities of change in American manufacturing.
That is the largest plant that we have that keeps this town going. Our steel mills are gone, our factories are gone, Packard is closed, General Electric is gone, Chrysler is gone, and GM was it. GM was what kept this here. We may end up into a ghost town.
The comfortable $30 to $40 an hour wages GM paid workers likely a thing of the past, even though President Donald Trump was here just last summer telling people to stay.
Don't sell your house. Don't sell your house. Do not sell it. We're going to get those values up, we're going to get those jobs coming back, and we're going to fill up those factories.
But this factory produced the Chevy Cruze, a mid-sized car that local union president Dave Green says workers knew could be a tough sell.
They need to be priced right, and they need to be priced fair. If I could go walk into a dealership and lease an SUV cheaper than I can lease a Chevy Cruze, most Americans want more for less, so they're going to get the bigger, the better.
Trump has criticized GM's decision.
They say the Chevy Cruze is not selling well. I say, well, then get a car that is selling well and put it back in.
Workers at this plant, one of 5 impacted by the announcement, hope GM could bring a new product in here. The problem? Labor is much cheaper at the company's plant in Mexico.
Why is it being built in Mexico? It's mind-blowing. I heard in Ramos, Mexico, they get paid $2.85 an hour.
Zach, an 18-year veteran at this factory, says the president isn't to blame. It's a company decision.
We're the ones that build this car. We are the ones that got this company this far. And who are the ones that are suffering? The auto worker, not corporate America. They're getting rich. $6 billion in the third quarter. And they can justify laying off 14,000 people.
Ultimately, that's a bad move for the country, says the union.
We've proven ourselves time and time again. We've got the best workforce in the world right here in Lordstown. We've got the best location. GM, I think, would be foolish to walk away from it.
A 50-year partnership between a U.S. company and community that may be coming to an end. Katherine Gypson, VOA News, Lordstown, Ohio.